Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create automatic bullet list in publisher table. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to create automatic bullet list. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the insert menu. Then click the table option and insert a table. Now we want to create automatic bullet list. This table, select the first column, click and drag on our mouse. Then go back the home menu and click the bulleted list option and select any bullet list. Now I select this fill diamond bullet. Then click outside of the table. Now we can see we create automatic bullet list this publisher table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.